Oh man, I'm so tired. Wonder what time it is. Oh no, it's 11 at night. The wife's gonna kill me. It's Christmas tomorrow. Well, the plan is get the sanding done, get a first coat of paint, and then I can relax over the Christmas break. Just gotta power through and get it done. But, oh man, I'm just so tired. I think I'm just gonna rest my eyes, just even for a minute, and then I'll get this all done. What the? Oh no, I must have dozed off. What time is it? 3 in the morning? Oh no, I gotta get out of here. What is this? Meal?
Dear Emile, I hope you had a good nap. I didn't want to disturb you as you seem to need the rest. Thank you very much for the excellent videos on virtual pinball construction. These have been invaluable in training the new elves. vpins have been everyone's wish list this year. The elves and I thought you were a really good boy this year, and we wanted to give you a special thank you for your project. Enjoy the gifts and have a great time finishing your vpins. Merry Christmas, Santa. Ho, ho, ho.
Enjoy the gifts. There's no gifts. What? Oh, what? No way. Is this what I think it is? Oh my God, let's open it up. Oh, what could it be? Oh, I think I know what it is. Oh, sweet. A gaming motherboard. Awesome. Ooh, oh, sweet. Gigabyte B760 Gaming Texnoaxe motherboard. Intel 13th gen support. Audio 8 channels. New Wi-Fi 6E. M.2 drives. Oh, this is going to be sick. And if this is a tell of what all the other gifts are coming, this is going to be awesome. Ooh, can't wait. What is this? Awesome. Intel Core i7-14700KF and the LGA 1700 chipset. This is going to be sick. Oh, this is a huge one. What's in here? Is it a video card? What is this? What is this? Oh, awesome. A liquid CPU cooler. Sick. And it's got some RGB lighting. Awesome. That'll keep that CPU cold. Oh, this little guy. Let's see what's in here. What do we got here? DDR5 RAM. 32 gigs. Oh yeah, that'll be good enough. Sick. Oh, if this isn't RAM, then this has got to be something else. Here, what is this? Oh, slick. 2 terabytes of M.2 SSD drive. Awesome. 2 terabytes. Man, I'm going to have trouble filling that up. Nice. Whew, Merry Christmas to all. Merry Christmas, Santa. Oh, I know what this is. Nice. ATX power supply, 1000 watts. That should be good to run everything. Oh, ATX 3.0. PCIe Gen 5. Hey, that's new. Neat. Sick. Gold series, too. What's in this? Card? Oh man, these elves know how to wrap. Oh, what do you know? Windows 11 software. How thoughtful, Santa. Awesome. Ooh, last gift, and based off all the other ones, can only be one thing. This is my GPU. Oh my God. I hope it's at least a 4070 Ti. That would do 4K 120 hertz. Nope. Oh! Oh! 4080 Super. That's awesome. This is totally going to do 4K 120 hertz and some room for the future proofing too. Oh, thank you, Santa. Oh, yes. Yes, I'm so excited. 4080 Super. Awesome. Oh my God, a 4080. So good. Let's get out of here. Night, baby.